I would say if you're starting off as an SDR, don't be too creative because you don't know the process yet. You don't know the solution. You don't know who you're selling to. So when I first started out, I tried to create all these things and I realized I don't even know how to hit quota yet. Like, I don't know how to even do this simple process. So how in the world am I gonna be able to be creative? So I always tell reps, when you start getting 5, 6, 7 months into the role, then you can start being creative and innovative because it is starting to be like that because there's so much noise out here today. 2 years ago is different than how I'm prospecting today. So it more so falls into a multivariate approach. You have to know how to do email, phone, social, even video now. Direct mail is a component. Events like this, face-to-face, you have to be there. And what I always tell people in SDRs, even sales professionals, is you have to show face because you don't know how someone's going to communicate with you. There could be someone I'm emailing, phone calling, social, and then all of a sudden they respond to a video. There's someone the other day, I've been emailing them for a very long time. I finally got them on the phone. And they said, hey, I'm more receptive to phone calls. So that's what's changed in prospecting today. You can't just rely on one method. You have to use all methods to be successful. Big thing is that the SDRs and the AE need to have a formal plan together. And so what that means is, what are they looking for when they do hand it off? Is it a certain company size, a certain industry? Are there certain questions that our SDR needs to qualify so the AE is actually ready to actually have a great meeting? And then also you need to work with the sales leaders as well to make sure that it's actually something that can be qualified sitting over. So what are the different trends that you're looking for? Like, what is your deal size? What is the average deal, like the deal sales cycle? Like, you have to know those things to make sure that you have a right SDR to AE process. And especially if you're one-to-one with an SDR to AE, they need to have weekly meetings to make sure that they have mapping of territories and how they're going after them, what type of conversations they're having, and what their messaging is.